Our story begins in lush, green pastures. Here, dairy cows graze peacefully, the serene cradles of Cadbury's famous milkiness. The quality of the milk starts here, with healthy, contented herds. These farms are often family-run, with generations of expertise. The cows themselves are the stars of this early chapter. They are carefully tended, ensuring their well-being. This care translates directly into the quality of their milk. Fresh, creamy, and full of natural goodness. This is the liquid gold that will eventually become part of a beloved chocolate bar. The milking process is a gentle affair. Modern techniques meet traditional care. The cows are brought into clean, calm milking parlors. Here, the fresh milk is collected with utmost hygiene. It is quickly cooled to preserve its freshness. This immediate cooling is vital. It locks in the natural flavor and quality. Every drop is precious. This milk is the heart of dairy milk chocolate. Once collected, the fresh milk embarks on its first journey. It is transported in chilled tankers to the Cadbury factory. The journey from farm to factory is swift. Now, we travel to warmer climes. We visit the tropical regions where cocoa trees grow. These remarkable trees produce cocoa pods. Inside each pod lie precious cocoa beans. These beans are the very soul of chocolate. They are carefully harvested by skilled farmers. Once harvested, the cocoa beans undergo their first transformation. They are fermented and then dried under the warm tropical sun. This stage is crucial for developing flavor. After drying, the beans are packed into sacks. They travel to the Cadbury factories far from their sunny birthplace. They are carefully roasted to awaken deep, complex flavors. What remains are the cocoa nibs, which are then ground into a thick, dark paste known as cocoa liquor. This is where dairy milk's unique character starts to form. The journey of these beans is long and fascinating. The stage is now set for a remarkable union. The rich cocoa liquor, creamy milk, and fine sugar are brought together. These core ingredients are carefully measured and combined in large mixing vessels. This is where the journey to that famous Cadbury taste intensifies. The initial mixture is rich and full of promise, but the quest for ultimate smoothness has just begun. Next comes a vital process called conching. The chocolate mixture is continuously kneaded and agitated in special machines called conches. The process can last for many hours, even days. During conching, friction and heat further refine the mixture. The texture becomes incredibly smooth and flowing. Flavors meld and develop, creating a harmonious taste. Following conching, the chocolate must be tempered. Tempering is a precise science of heating and cooling. Proper tempering ensures a glossy shine and a satisfying snap when broken. These three steps, mixing, conching, and tempering, are the heart of chocolate making. They transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. The result is a liquid chocolate that is perfectly smooth. This is the molten chocolate that will soon become the familiar Cadbury Dairy Milk Bar. Section 4. Molding Magic, the birth of the iconic bar. The beautifully smooth, tempered chocolate is now ready. The chocolate is carefully poured into molds bearing the iconic Cadbury Dairy Milk pattern. The process is highly automated yet incredibly precise. Once filled, the molds embark on a cooling journey through special cooling tunnels. As the chocolate cools, it solidifies, taking on the familiar shape of the Dairy Milk Bar. After cooling, the moment of revelation arrives. Each Dairy Milk Bar is wrapped in its distinctive purple packaging. The wrapping machines work with incredible speed and accuracy. The purple wrapper is more than just packaging. Section 5. The Purple Promise: Quality, Wrapping, and a World of Delight. Before any bar leaves the factory, it faces scrutiny. Rigorous quality checks are performed at every stage. This ensures that every single bar meets Cadbury's high standards. Samples are taken regularly and tested for taste, texture, and appearance. Experts with highly trained palates assess the chocolate. They check for the perfect creaminess and the signature flavor. Consistency is key in the world of chocolate. Consumers expect their favorite dairy milk bar to taste the same every time. The precise recipes and controlled processes help achieve this. From the milk collection to the final tempering, every step is monitored. Even the thickness of the bar and the snap are checked. The wrapped and inspected chocolate bars are now ready for the next step. They are carefully packed into boxes and stacked onto pallets. The factory hums with activity as forklifts move pallets of chocolate. They are preparing for their journey to warehouses, and from there to shops and supermarkets. Each box represents countless moments of pleasure. The journey from bean and milk to box bar is complete, a taste that brings smiles to faces everywhere.